Hey, explorers! Welcome to Lingooboom, your channel for fun quizzes and cool facts. Get ready for the super wacky animal trivia quiz with 50 wild questions about amazing animals. Here's how it works. I ask a question, you get two choices, A or B, and you have 5 seconds to shout your answer. Ready? Let's yell YES together. Great! Let's jump into the fun with Lingooboom. Which animal sings to find a mate from miles away? Shark or humpback whale? It's humpback whale. Their songs can travel for hundreds of miles underwater. Great start! Which animal can smell food from 20 kilometers away? Polar bear or lion? It's the polar bear. Their powerful noses can detect seals under thick ice. Nicely done! Which bird has the smallest heart, sparrow or hummingbird? It's the hummingbird. Tiny heart, but it beats over 1,000 times per minute. You're on fire! Which animal can survive being frozen, goldfish, or wood frog? It's the wood frog. They freeze solid in winter and thaw out in spring. Impressive knowledge. Which animal can cut off its leg to escape predators? Crab or shrimp? It's the crab. They can drop a leg and grow it back later. Nice work! Which animal can hold its breath the longest underwater? Dolphin or sperm whale? It's the sperm whale. They can dive for more than an hour without breathing. Fantastic! Which animal can sleep without touching the ground? Albatross or eagle? It's the albatross. They can nap while gliding high above the sea. Well played! Which animal can generate electricity to defend itself? Shark or electric eel? It's the electric eel. They can zap with shock strong enough to stun a horse. Shocking and correct. Which animal can drink salty water without getting thirsty? Whale or albatross? It's the albatross. Special glands filter salt from seawater. Brilliant! Which animal walks backward to escape predators? Spider or scorpion? It's the spider. Some can moonwalk their way to safety. Clever answer. Which animal can live without its head for weeks? Butterfly or cockroach? It's the cockroach. They can survive headless until they dehydrate. Creepy but correct. Which animal has 3 hearts? Octopus or jellyfish? It's the octopus. 2 pump blood to the gills, 1 to the body. Amazing! Which animal puffs up to scare enemies? Whale or pufferfish? It's the pufferfish. They inflate into a spiky balloon. Well spotted! Which animal can look behind without turning its head? Chameleon or owl? It's the owl. They can twist their neck 270 degrees. Sharp thinking. Which animal can jump 200 times its body length? Flea or grasshopper? It's the flea. Tiny but incredible jumpers. That's correct. Which animal can regrow its body from a small piece? Seahorse or starfish? It's the starfish. They can grow whole arms, or even a whole body back. Well done! Which animal mimics other animals' sounds to trick prey? Lyrebird or parrot? It's the lyrebird. They copy chainsaws, alarms, and other birds. Impressive recall. Which animal has stiff quills for defense? Rabbit or porcupine? It's the porcupine. Their quills are sharp and hard to remove. Excellent! Which animal lives at 6,000 meters high? Eagle or Andean condor? It's the Andean condor. They soar above the highest mountains. High score for you! Which animal glows in the dark? Firefly or butterfly? It's the firefly. They light up to find mates. Bright answer. Which reptile can run on water? crocodile or basilisk lizard? It's the basilisk lizard. That's why it's nicknamed the Jesus lizard. Impressive knowledge. Which animal can sleep standing up? Horse or elephant? It's horse. They lock their legs so they can rest without falling. Nice work. Which animal wraps itself in a mucus bubble? Shark or parrotfish? It's parrotfish. The bubble hides their scent from predators. Clever guess. Which animal yawns to cool its brain? Cat or dog? It's dog. Yawning helps regulate brain temperature. You're doing awesome. Which animal can go a year without eating? Crocodile or lion? It's crocodile. They slow their metabolism and survive for months. Impressive answer. Which animal shoots a bad smell to scare enemies? Porcupine or skunk? It's skunk. Their spray can be smelled up to 3 miles away. You nailed it. Which animal can regrow its eye if lost? Lobster or crab? It's lobster. They can regenerate claws, legs, and even eyes. Brilliant. Which animal flies the farthest without stopping? Eagle or Arctic tern? It's Arctic tern. They migrate thousands of miles each year. Fantastic knowledge. Which animal can clone itself without a mate? Shark or jellyfish? It's jellyfish. Some can reproduce asexually. Great thinking. Which animal dances to call its friends? Honeybee or butterfly? It's honeybee. They do a waggle dance to share food locations. Sweet answer. Which animal has the longest tongue compared to its body? Snake or chameleon? It's chameleon. Their tongue can be twice their body length. Amazing. Which animal can change color to blend into its surroundings? Cuttlefish or squid? It's cuttlefish, masters of camouflage in the ocean. Well spotted. Which animal carries its home on its back? Snail or tortoise? It's tortoise. They have a permanent shell for protection. Great job. Which animal can smell rain coming from far away? Beetle or ant? It's ant. They can detect changes in humidity and scent. Smart guess. Which animal has a neck as long as its body? Giraffe or ostrich? It's giraffe. Their long necks help them reach treetops. Excellent. Which animal can shoot blood from its eyes to scare predators? Iguana or horned lizard? It's horned lizard, a very unusual defense trick. Incredible knowledge. Which animal can live in boiling hot water? Tardigrade or shrimp? It's tardigrade. They survive extreme heat, cold, and even space. Impressive. Which animal uses its tail as a fifth leg? Koala or kangaroo? It's kangaroo. Their tails help them balance and move. Great answer. Which animal has the most teeth of any animal? Shark or snail? It's snail. Some have over 20,000 tiny teeth. Mind-blowing, right? Which animal can turn its stomach inside out? Starfish or sea cucumber? It's starfish. They push their stomach out to digest food. Incredible fact. Which animal can roll into a ball to protect itself? Hedgehog or armadillo? It's armadillo! They curl up into a hard shell. Nice one! Which animal uses bubbles to catch food? Humpback whale or dolphin? It's humpback whale. They create bubble nets to trap fish. Amazing teamwork. Which animal has a tongue that can grab food from far away? lizard or frog? It's frog. Their sticky tongues snap out lightning fast. Great reflexes. Which animal can survive in outer space for a short time? Ant or tardigrade? It's tardigrade. They're tiny but nearly indestructible. Impressive. Which animal has the best memory in the animal kingdom? Elephant or dolphin? It's elephant. They can remember locations and faces for decades. Smart thinking. Which animal can make a web to catch prey? Wasp or spider? It's spider. Their silk is stronger than steel. Fantastic. Which animal can live both in water and on land? Crocodile or whale? It's crocodile. They're masters of both environments. Well done. Which animal has a beak like a spoon? Pelican or spoonbill? It's spoonbill. Their beaks help them sweep food from water. Excellent answer. Which animal can pretend to be a snake to scare enemies? Worm or caterpillar? It's caterpillar. Some mimic snakes to avoid predators. Clever disguise. Which animal can regenerate its heart if damaged? Zebrafish or goldfish? It's zebrafish. Scientists study them for heart healing. Amazing discovery. How many questions did you get right? Comment your score below, don't forget to subscribe, and try the next challenge.